Okay, one thing I just noticed. Just look at our dock. Almost no snow on it. In fact, the only real snow is really there at the shore. Except for a few tiny little patches here and there. But oh, doesn't my cottage look pretty? Hi, slow. Anyhow. So, we have almost no snow on our dock. Which was pretty windy and all that yesterday. Look at everyone else's docks. They all have snow on theirs. So there's the debit. And just doing a 360 here at the end of the dock carefully. In a zoomed in level. So we're zoomed number 6 channel marker. There's the old house. Going across the Potomac. Channel marker 2, 4, 4A, and there's 1 all the way behind it. And there's 5, but 5's in the middle of the channel. Alright, because remember, there's 6. More ice. Boat, and let me carefully walk. Alright, shore. Let me try and get. Don't really. And there we go. Not bad, huh? Anyhow. There's all the ice everywhere. Alright, well I better get going. Cottage definitely looks nice. It's interesting. Alright. Well, this is the day after the snowstorm. Last day of January 2010. Bye-bye.